Traders from around the world, what's going on? It's Ricky Cadden back again from Real Life Trading Australia. Guys, I've got some great news for you. We are already into the free week. If you haven't yet subscribed to the free week, guys, go to www.reallifetrading.com.au and this fantastic page will come up. Click on the free week banner and you can RSVP and join our live swing trading floor. It is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday evenings. All the information is here of what I will be covering. Basically, I'll be giving you guys all the stock analysis. We'll be talking about different strategies, uncovering a whole bunch of information entirely for free. And guys, when you do sign up, you'll get access to a free educational dashboard with beginner, intermediate, and advanced trading strategies. So guys, get involved. It's entirely free. I really cannot wait to see you there. We have already started the free week, and guys, it also does finish. I have mentioned here it finishes on the 20th, but I have actually extended this to August 23rd. So make sure you guys get there, get signed up. But let's talk about the broader market. It's exactly what you guys are here for. The SPY. Brand new all-time highs once again. Guys, this market is unquestionably bullish. We have not had a 5% pullback in, gosh, such a long time. Almost since March. I mean, 180 days roughly, I would say. If we just take a look here, date range since here, we have almost 180 days, 175 days it has been since we had about a 5% pullback. So I think we are currently due for a pullback very, very soon in the markets, guys. The SPY, although we could go higher, if we hit 450, guys, I'm pretty much going to be going into cash and then most likely looking to probably protect your assets on the downside. And expect a much larger pullback because 5% is, a decent sized pullback, but usually we have a couple of those per year, and we haven't had another one yet. So wait and see what happens there with the SPY, guys. Brand new all-time high. The volume is, slowly trending bullish, but the earnings also, a lot of the earnings gaps have been gapping down on a lot of stocks. A lot of stocks being priced in already with their earnings. Here's the E-minis, brand new all-time high yesterday, and once again, consolidating at these high levels, still just trickling above the 10 EMA. So short-term bullish, long-term bullish as well, but more than likely we're just a little bit neutral at this particular moment in time. Guys, here's NVIDIA. Now take a look at this. We have created a double top right now on NVIDIA. We got earnings coming up just around the corner. I do think that we are probably due for a little bit of a pullback, possibly down to either the 50-day EMA or even the 100 simple moving average. We had a very nice push higher on the markets from the 100 simple moving average. We've had a 50% push since May. That was only just a few months ago. So I do expect us probably to consolidate for a little bit longer, guys. Maybe come back down, come back up, come back down. Let the 100 simple moving average catch up, and then from there possibly look to bounce around September on NVIDIA. Apple. Now Apple's been really, really interesting, guys. We have also been consolidating at these highs. We've been forming such a gorgeous wedge pattern. If I just go into the 4-hourly chart, you'll see it right here, these two blue lines. We are currently forming a wedge as we speak, but once again creating these lower highs. Now I'm not saying we can't go bullish. We can definitely break out of this and continue on higher, but if we do start to close below this level, guys, take a look at the shorter term moving averages. If we start to get some really strong closes below here and retests of these shorter term moving averages, I'd be looking to possibly take a short position on Apple for only the short term. Right? Not a long. I am long-term bullish on Apple. They are the biggest company in the world and extremely profitable. Guys, the ASX 200 brand new all-time high today was a gap and go. Black candle gapping up and throwing in a phenomenal inverted hammer right now. So looking absolutely fantastic. I think we are probably due for a little bit of a dip edge on the ASX 200, but we'll wait and see what happens over the next couple of weeks. NVX, guys, you have to take a look at the analysis that I had back on this day here. We did speak about this in the trading room, so I will take a little clip from that day. Take a listen to what I said in the trading room. NVX, so Novanix Limited. So Novanix right now, few bulls getting in. Bulltown, we have been consolidating sideways, building pressure for yonks. And we've got really nice increasing volume. First breakout, team. First breakout, and look what's happening right now. Is that a bull trap or is that a bull trap? I think it's a bit of A and a bit of B. So most people that bought here would have seen the volume gone, yes, NVX is going to go to like $7. There'll be somebody, they'll like, you go to a job site, they'll be like, man, I know this guy that knows this other guy that has a friend who like trades the stock market and makes lots of money, and he says that NVX is going to go to like $7 by like the end of the year. It's never been there before. So NVX, let it pull back, let it build the pressure again, and then look to buy on a dip. On NVX, we are currently at a high. Interesting stuff. Wow. So we ended up having this fantastic little pullback, just like I mentioned. It was a dip buying opportunity, fantastic little consolidation. But check out this gap and go that occurred back on this bearish candle, guys, followed by sensational volume. When we had this gap up, you realistically wanted to be bullish at that particular moment in time, guys. Cute little cute little bullish flag pattern, and then continuation higher. I know I mentioned that there's probably, someone mentioned that this might go to $7 by the end of the year. Yeah, it's probably possible, but once again, guys, we are at a resistance level once again. Now, I'm not saying we can't go higher. We most definitely can. If we do, right, we might come up to $6 and then probably pull back, and then we'll wait and see what happens. Earnings is also just around the corner as well, coming up at the end of September as well. But Novanix, great little analysis there with Mr. Squiggles. I hope you guys did end up buying the dip for all the real life traders out there. FMG, now FMG, long-term moving averages, guys, check it out. So all you long-term investors on FMG right now, you can see we're almost back at the 200 simple moving average. We created this gorgeous little double top. We did not hold support. We broke down, retested, and came all the way back down to the longer terms. So longer-term moving averages, the 100 and the 200 simple moving average. Consolidating, we are basically at the exact same spot that we were December last year. So if you did hold all the way from December, I hope you did sell at these highs and possibly buy back at the lows. If you didn't, and you're currently back in right now, we're back at a buying location. So we'll wait and see what happens here if we do decide to bounce. I wouldn't be bullish just yet on FMG until we start to break bullish above these candles and then possibly have a stop down below the 200 simple moving average. So you can use a stop limit order for this particular trade setup if you do decide to take it. But make sure you guys do mitigate your risk on FMG. Crude oil. Now, crude oil. Check out Mr. Squiggles on crude oil. Now, you guys probably remember me talking about, us having this nice little trade bullish and then a nice little rollover. I mean, analysis doesn't get much better than that. We came all the way back down to support. We found this gorgeous hammer, and now we are starting to bounce. So this is pretty much the analysis that you guys will be getting in the free week. Take advantage of it. Take with it what you please. But guys, I can't stress enough how much you will learn in the trading room itself. It is absolutely phenomenal. I actually did draw this on one of my stock reviews, so you guys can rewind back to this day here, which was around the 20th or the 21st of July, and take a listen. And I did draw this line. So anyway, crude oil is trying to bounce right now. fading a little bit. Volume's still fairly good, as it should be, right? Still creating the lower highs and the lower lows. But what I will be looking for this is a nice little higher pivot low, and then look to take this thing bullish. Gold is getting absolutely pummeled after the jobs report saying that job reports was good. We ended up just dropping like a brick. So right now, cute little pennant pattern. Will we bounce here? We'll just have to wait and see. I wouldn't be getting into any gold positions just yet, unless you were looking to get in down here at these lows. Then I would totally agree with you. But right now, I think you could possibly wait for a little bit more of a consolidation. And then possibly look to take a bullish at a later date on gold. And last but not least, the Aussie dollar. Now, Aussie dollar also pulling back from the jobs report as well. Currently at a support level around this 72.91 area. I have been holding this line here for quite some time. But guys, we'll have a look at the weekly chart. If you take a look at the weekly chart, yeah, we could probably come down a little bit. I mean, these two candles here are not the most bullish candles in the world. We could possibly come back down to the 200 simple moving average. We'll just have to wait and see how price action occurs and how this one trades over the next week or next couple of weeks. But Aussie dollar trading completely sideways right now. But that's all I have for you guys. Make sure you guys put in your requests in the comment section below. And if you guys do want to join the free week, it is still open. You guys can join at any time until August 23rd. And yeah, come down here, put in your name, your email, and your phone number, and you guys will get this fantastic swing trading floor for free 3 times per week. That's 3 hours of education, guys. And I will unlock all my strategies for you entirely free. All right, guys. Can't wait to see you all there. And until next time, love life, live life, and trade it. You guys absolutely rock. Bye.